On the Carnival Jubilee, a grand ship at sea, were Thing 1 and Thing 2 as hungry as could be. It was the last day. Oh, what could they do? They craved some adventure and maybe some food, too.
They dashed to the Bolt, a sea coaster, a great ride. Zooming and zipping, they squealed side by side. With the wind in their hair and the ocean below, they looped and they laughed. Feeling quite the show.
Next stop was Guy's Burgers, a treat oh so fine. They gobbled and munched, licking ketchup like wine. With bellies full and grins ear to ear, they sought more fun, full of cheer.
To the mini golf course. With clubs in their hands, they swung and they putted through tropical lands. A hole-in-one here, a tricky shot there. They giggled and danced without a care.
Up to the ropes so high in the sky, they balanced and swung, feeling they could fly. Through the nets and over the beams, they scampered with glee.
Chris, I should not have done this. Oh no. Oh no.
Feeling the thrill of the ship and the sea.
As the sun started setting, painting skies oh so sublime,
Thing 1 and Thing 2 shouted, "It's recess time."
Hey, Thing 1 and Thing 2 are getting ready to go to the Thing 1 and Thing 2 breakfast. It's our breakfast. We gotta go. This is one really cool thing that Carnival does, is a themed character breakfast. Thing 1 and Thing 2, Cat in the Hat. Are we dressed appropriately for it? I think so. After you reserve it through the app or online prior to your cruise, you're all set to go, and they'll deliver you a special invitation to your room the day before. So make sure that you take this with you to the breakfast, but we're headed down to, I believe, the Atlantic dining room to check out the character breakfast, see what it's all about, and we'll show you the food too. So Thing 1 and Thing 2 need to go do what they do downstairs because we're hungry. I tried to rhyme that, but I'm not Dr. Seuss, guys. Let's go.
And don't forget, Thing 1, I'm going too.
And Thing 2. Thing 1 and Thing 2. We're gonna do what we do.
Do?
Yep, that's right.
All right. Y'all, it's the last sea day, and we have to be down there at like 8:15 in the morning. I don't know if does brunch start that early? To me, it should be around 10 a.m., but that's just all that was available. This is one of the most popular dining experiences on Carnival, so if you book a cruise, it's more than likely already sold out.
Deck 6.
Deck 6.
Here we go. Alright, let's just walk over there.
Y'all, hopefully it's not a problem, but I think, are dressed like the employees that work this breakfast. So we're really hoping that they don't kick us out or make us go and change. Luckily, we're not that far, so I don't know. We're about to find out. But all the videos we saw online, this is what the employees are wearing. We did not do that on purpose. We had already ordered this, so here we are.
Maybe we'll get to like help serve and bring the characters out. I'm just kidding. They'll put us to work. Alright, we're down here at about 8 o'clock. It starts at 8:15 and there's already a little line, so people do get here early, so just know that. But look, we're here for the birthday breakfast. It's our birthday breakfast. So it's our birthday today. For the Thing 1 and Thing 2 birthday breakfast, they give you this little activity booklet, and it has like a crossword and a maze and stuff. That'll keep Abed entertained till the food comes out. And then you get autographs. So the characters are gonna come around, and I think we get stamps and stuff. We'll see.
All right, y'all, the decorations here in the Atlantic restaurant are super cute. Each table's decked out in red, white, and blue. You know, the true colors of Dr. Seuss. You've got Cat in the Hat everywhere. You've got, of course, Thing 1 and Thing 2. These cute little bow tie napkins. Everything in here is absolutely adorable. There's a centerpiece in the middle of the table that has Cat in the Hat, along with some other decorations. They've really done a great job here. This looks like so much fun. And the characters are gonna come around and we'll get some more stamps, so we're gonna collect them all.
What's up?
Say hi, we're here to celebrate.
Yeah, it's our birthday, but thank you for having us. Oh my god, you guys, we got to meet the Cat in the Hat right at the beginning of the breakfast. You can take pictures with the Cat in the Hat outside of the dining room. That was cool. Great way to kick off the breakfast. All right, the menu looks like so much fun. All of the food is Cat in the Hat, Dr. Seuss themed. For instance, you can get green eggs and ham. You can get a roast beast omelet. You can get AB cereal. Let's see, they have all sorts of whimsical pancakes, waffles, crazy stuff with like fruit, whipped cream, sprinkles. Like, it's Dr. Seuss food. This is gonna be cool. I don't know what I want. I think we gotta get green eggs and ham, but maybe some of the pancakes too. Knees and toes, knees and toes.
We're playing the jams in here.
Straight fire bangers here. Who's in charge of the playlist? Oh my god, ants go marching in. March to my two, hurrah, hurrah.
Anyway, friends, today is all about celebrating you and your uniqueness.
Yup.
And of course, they're very excited to meet you all this morning as well.
So they just announced characters are going to come around, not to get up. They're going to hit every table. If they miss you, just raise your hand. Really exciting. Thing one and thing two are running around. Apparently they're crazy and they get into mischief and will pull your hair. If they pull this, I don't know what I'm going to do, y'all.
It's gonna be traumatizing if they pull Abed's hair off. We'll see though. They better not be too mischievous. That's our job.
Y'all, so we're still waiting for the characters to come around, but we're having a great time. We're here with family. I cannot wait to bring my little nephew here because seeing all the kids light up and they're just having so much fun. That's what cruising is all about. It's about family, friends, just celebrating whatever you want to celebrate. And so far, things are going great. My hair looks fabulous. And the breakfast is starting to come out and it smells amazing. So far so good. Can we get a photo with you? All right, let's get a photo. So some of the foods come out. I can show you a thing or two parfait. And look at this. This is layers of vanilla, yogurt, and fruit. It smells so good. Enough yapping, let's eat. Let's try it. That's a weird combination of fruit. There's like watermelon in here. Even though it smells mostly of strawberry, the yogurt is almost non-existent. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to give this I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 5. The texture of the yogurt and the fruit that's on there, it's just kind of a pass. This is a pass.
All right, I got the green eggs and ham. They're actually pretty good. I'll give them a 3.5 out of 5. The eggs are cold, but that's only because we've been spending like the last 15 minutes shooting B-roll like annoying vloggers and the food gets cold. So I'm not gonna blame the dining room on that. I'm sure it came out and it was warm. It tastes good. I mean, it's green eggs and ham. It's scrambled eggs, ham on an English muffin. The pancakes though, I'm gonna give those a 4 out of 5. They are pretty sweet. They're pancakes, but they're really good. So I really did enjoy the pancakes. The breakfast here is kind of like aesthetics over taste. They do have build your own omelets, which some folks at our table got and they really like. And the steak and eggs apparently are pretty good too. So maybe go for like the more basic options for breakfast here. And don't be so adventurous if you're not willing to be disappointed a little bit.
I decided to get something also with some protein, a little savory. The blue roast beef omelet. This looks really good though. It looks cheesy. I'm assuming the roast beef. Oh, look at that.
Giving me your ham and your leftover.
Okay.
Nice brown.
I didn't even notice you ate it.
Okay.
So,
That looks pretty good. I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna get me a bite. You know what? This smells really good. You can smell the caramelized onions. The roast beef looks good. I would say if you are an adult, you're coming here maybe with your kids, the roast beef omelet, this gets a 3 out of 5. It's not the best. It's actually, a little watery to be honest, but the cheese is good. The meat tastes good. The caramelized onions, it's definitely passable for breakfast. I'm definitely going to finish that. It's a good source of protein for me. Yeah, I'd say 3 out of 5 for this.
All right, it's thing 1 and thing 2's birthday breakfast. So I had to get birthday cake. And it's definitely colorful. It's a rainbow cake. I'm eating so many artificial dyes and flavors this morning. Yeah, I'm gonna need to go on like a cleanse after this. But let's try the cake. It's very colorful. It looks pretty.
Look, Anna's in a boat right now.
All right. A lot of icing. And you have to like cream cheese icing. It's not bad. I like cream cheese icing, so I'll give this 4 out of 5. The cake
All
is
right,
nice and
Carnival
moist.
family,
But
but
it's
the
good.
part.
All right, let's get in here for a picture.
Welcome, Carnival.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, y'all. It's thing 1 and thing 2. Go to the bar. I'm just kidding. We're not doing that. Yeah, maybe a little later. But yeah, Thing 1 and Thing 2 breakfast, it's over. We got all of our autographs. That's really cute. They come around and they stamp your little autograph. Here's the deal. That's clearly not for adults. That's for little children. The kids were having a blast in there. They were enjoying the food. It's all sugary and like super weird combinations. So stuff that like kids really like. The food was just okay. Some of the food was good, like the steak and eggs and the omelets apparently were really good. We didn't get any of those because we wanted to be a little bit more adventurous. But you know what? It is what it is. It was a fun breakfast. The characters coming around to your tables and meeting and greeting, and you get to take photos with Thing 1 and Thing 2. Sam I Am was in there, Cat in the Hat. So all the characters were really cool. This is a neat experience at sea, and I'm glad that they have some like IP-driven things here on Carnival, especially for little kids and families. Everybody in there was having a blast, so it kind of didn't even matter that the food was just mediocre.
Thing 2, you ready?
Yeah. We did it. We did both. We mastered it again. Thing 1 and Thing 2. We had so much fun. That didn't rhyme, but sorry. So, boat roller coasters, always so much fun. This is our 3rd time riding it. It's the only place that you can ride it, on a Carnival cruise ship. And we're in the middle of the ocean, last sea day. We had to ride it. It's very rare that you get to actually ride it on a sea day, so we had to take full advantage. It's not too windy quite yet. It goes so much faster than you think it does, and you gotta use the boost. You get 15 seconds of boost, use all of it. Thing 1 and Thing 2, you know we're crazy, so all we did was boost the whole time. But it was so much fun. Ride the boat coaster when you're on a Carnival Excel ship. Promise you, you won't regret it. These are all practice swings. All right, those are all practice swings. Ignore how many times it took me to get into the hole. First off, it's windy, and these balls are really light. I don't know if you've ever putt-putted on a cruise ship, but they use biodegradable golf balls. I'm gonna blame it on that and not my horrible putting skills, because we all know Thing 1 and Thing 2 are great putters, right? That was so close to a hole-in-one. Did you guys see that? That was so close, and now watch, I'm gonna miss all these short putts.
All right, Thing 1's up. We're on the 3rd hole, and I'm winning. I'm leading by several goals.
Okay.
Touchdown! Just like that, 7-0.
I don't know if Thing 1 knows how to keep score in mini golf. What do you think?
All right, so far I've got birdie, Chris has got 0. The scoring system is so weird. I am the champion, Thing 1. If you took bets that Thing 1 would win, then you are correct. It is so hot out here. I forgot what it was like to have hair, y'all. Chris is always like, it's so hot. Of course, I don't have hair, so all the heat escapes, but Thing 1, man, you guys, no wonder you're so mischievous. It's hot.
For those of you at home keeping score, Thing 2 has run Thing 1 out of the game. I guess he was too intimidated by my badass golfing skills and he quit, you guys. Thing 1 ran off to do some more mischief or something. I don't know. I'm all alone here. Do I win by default? If you guys are keeping score at home, that's 6 touchdowns to 0.
All right, Thing 1's made it up to the ropes course, y'all. Never done this before. It's part of Abed's revenge tour. I'm gonna do it on his behalf. Let's see what happens. It looks so scary, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Yep, I'm ready. We'll see what's gonna happen. Thing 1 was way more brave than Abed. I'll be all right.
I am on my way. I'm on platform 1. Oh. Yeah. No, first time.
All right.
Ermagerd.
So you're gonna hold on with your both hands right here.
Like this? Okay.
Yes, do not jump off
Okay.
the edge of the platform. Just step over and you can push yourself a little bit off.
Okay.
Raise your feet when you're landing, all right?
Okay.
And you
Right?
jump.
Okay. So
Yeah, you can.
oh my god, you did this over the ocean? Oh my god. Oh! 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 Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. Chris, I should not have done this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. One step in front of the other. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh wow. That was frightening. No, I'm not doing that one. Not doing that one. No, no. Sorry, Chris, I took the outer. Oh no. Okay, these swing. No one said anything about swinging. Oh my God, these swing, y'all. These swing. Oh. Okay. Oh, that doesn't feel sturdy at all. That is not sturdy at all. Oh my God, this view. You cannot beat this view, y'all. This view is just, oh my goodness. This right now, this is worth it. Yeah, this is pretty terrifying, but it was actually pretty fun.
All right, y'all, that was amazing. I can help check that off Abed's revenge list. Thing 1 conquered the ropes course. We got it. Now, I gotta say, Chris from Random Recess, not Thing 2, Chris from Random Recess, he did Crown's Edge on Icon of the Seas. I got a sneaky suspicion Royal stole their plan from this. There's a part where you zip line, you can't go backwards, and you just kind of guide yourself through the course. So you can choose to go left or right, and you don't even have to do the zip line if you don't want to. But the views up here from the ropes course, that's why we cruise. To see the open ocean, you gotta do it on a sea day. Thing 1 is very happy. Does Thing 1 and Thing 2 speak in the third person?
Wait. You're getting some behind the scenes here. Wait. Thing 2 is coming. Thing 2's here. Thing 2 is also hungry. All right, Thing 1 and Thing 2 love to come to Guy's Burger Joint because honestly, it's the best burgers at sea, am I right? The last sea day, it's our last chance to get it, so we had to get one more. Double plain Jane, you already know what it is. Pro tip, you can get more than one patty, just ask for it. I saw a guy get a triple meat burger ahead of me. We only went with the double. Might have to do the triple next time. Double meat plain Jane, has super melty cheese, pickles, and white onion. Perfection, let's go. 5 out of 5. The perfect burger is still good. We hungry. We gonna eat.
One cool thing is they haven't run out of the OG fries. These are hand-cut fries. If you get the ones that look like they're frozen, because they probably are, that means they ran out of these. These are the best fries. We've lucked out. On this cruise, they've only had these. Keep getting blue hair in my mouth. I'm not used to having hair, y'all. All right. I had the same burger as Chris. They smash these burgers to perfection. There's a beautiful crust on each of these patties. Super melty cheese starts with like a Velveeta and then like an American cheese on top. So it's ooey gooey, everything you want. The bun is soft, not soggy. You can top it with whatever you want. It really is the best burger, in my opinion, on land or sea. God, it's good. Delicious. 5 out of 5.
All right, we had to do it. Ice cream after burgers. It's a must do for Thing 1 and Thing 2. I don't know about you, but I'm exhausted, said Thing 1 to Thing 2. Wait, I'm Thing 2. We are very tired, okay? This ship takeover was really fun, but we are wiped. I think we might need to take a shower, get changed, and maybe go hit the town one last time, but the ship takeover is complete. I think it was a success. Hope you guys enjoyed it. What do you think, Thing 1?
Thing 1 thinks. We'll see y'all on the next one.
No, but seriously, thank you for watching. We really appreciate the support. If you haven't subscribed, help us hit 10,000. Hit that subscribe button. If you want to join our YouTube membership, we'd love to have you. We appreciate you all. Thank you so much. We'll see y'all on the next one.